Hey, maintenance team! Ready to dive into some HVAC tips that'll keep your hotel running smoothly and your guests happy? Let's jump right in. First up, regulatory compliance. Keeping up with the standards is crucial. Follow the American Society of Heating, Refrigerating, and Air Conditioning Engineers guidelines for top-notch air quality and EPA regulations for refrigerant management. Don't forget OSHA's safety measures. You've got to keep your team safe when dealing with these systems. Now let's talk best practices. Routine inspections and preventive maintenance are your new best friends. Regularly replace filters to keep the air clean and the system efficient. Clean those air ducts and vents. Dust buildup is a no-no. Keep an eye on refrigerant levels to avoid leaks and ensure efficiency. And of course, calibrate those thermostats and sensors for accurate climate control. Here's a handy inspection checklist. Daily, check thermostat settings, listen for odd noises, and monitor air temperature and humidity. Weekly, replace or clean air filters, inspect the condensate drain, and ensure vents are clear. Monthly, test carbon monoxide sensors, inspect refrigerant lines, and check electrical connections. Quarterly, clean evaporator and condenser coils, check belts and pulleys, and evaluate system efficiency. Annually, get a professional audit and test emergency shutdown systems. Live safety notifications can make this easier. Daily reminders for thermostat checks and weekly prompts for filter replacements. It's like having a personal assistant. After completing an inspection, send a confirmation email to keep everyone in the loop. It's all about documentation and compliance. Remember, regular HVAC maintenance means lower energy costs and happier guests. With live safety notifications and follow-up emails, you'll boost efficiency and accountability. That's it for today's HVAC training. Keep your systems running smoothly, and your guests will thank you. See you next time.